we explore GIFT Nifty's bearish start, impacted by Wall Street's downturn and Fed rate uncertainties. Plus, key inflation data, falling oil prices benefiting paint and airline stocks, and spotlight on stocks like Persistent Systems. Stay tuned for essential market insights. GIFT Nifty is trading in red, indicating a bearish start for benchmark Nifty. Blame it on weak overnight Wall Street cues, which fell sharply as traders braced for a probability of only a smaller Fed rate cut on 18 September. The headline US Consumer Price Index for the month of August was pegged at an annual rate of 2.5%, down from the 2.9% pace recorded in June. Strictly speaking, at first glance, the sell-off at Wall Street did not make much sense, as the US inflation has cooled considerably compared to prior highs. Perhaps the sell-off at Wall Street is on backdrop of Chinese concerns, which are adding fuel to market fears of a U.S. recession. Bottom line, investors will be looking to the release of US producer price numbers to gauge how fast the Federal Reserve is set to bring down interest rates. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1255 crores, while DIIs too bought to the tune of Rs 275 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky for the day. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating weakening momentum. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index, is hovering at 13.62 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.50 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 0.80. Nifty outlook: Nifty is likely to trade with negative bias amidst weak global cues. Nifty, CMP to 4918. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 24,641 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,334 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,800 and 5050. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 51010. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 50,369 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,755 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,500 and 51500. Bias for the day is negative. In yesterday's trade, Nifty plunged and, most importantly, ended below the psychological 25,000 mark. Now, the stocks which are on the front pages and catching attention. 1. Government has approved the PM E-Drive scheme with an outlay of 10,900 crore rupees for 2 years to boost adoption of electric vehicles in India, replacing FAME program that ran for 9 years till March. The scheme will support 24.79 lakh electric two-wheelers, 3.16 lakh E3-wheelers, and 14,028 e-buses. The PM E-Drive will also support 88,500 charging sites. 2. The plunge in WTI oil futures near the $66 per barrel, its lowest level since May 2023, are seen benefiting stock price of paint companies like Asian Paints and Berger Paints, as lower oil prices translate to higher operating margin for paint makers. 3. Airline stocks like Indigo too was nicely bid on backdrop of fall in oil prices. 4. Alternatively, on concerns over a weak oil demand outlook, ONGC and Oil India are receiving fresh drubbing. 5. Persistent Systems stock price is in limelight and, most importantly, are flirting with its all-time high at 5,370 rupees and 95 paise per share after the company signed an asset purchase agreement with Soho Dragon to acquire some of its assets.